Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, madam, and a very good welcome to our video presentation for the subject CSC186. First of all, let me thank you, madam, for spending your time to listen and watching to our video. As you can see on the screen, our presentation is about online shopping system that we give a name as Euphoria. But before I together with my team start the presentation, let me introduce about my team first.
So as you can see, this is my group members. And let me go through with myself first, which is my name is Siti Aisha Farhana Bintino Asmazi. They take a role as project manager for this assignment. I'm the one that assigned the task and duty to my team members, and I'm also always keep the track of the projects, such as from report, coding, and the video presentation, and making sure the goals and objectives of this program are achieved. Next, Nur Alfa binti Ahmad is my second member, which is she is our developer that in control of write the coding for our system. She also always update the coding to the project manager and team lead and solve the problem of decoding that arise, such as debugging. Further, she also need to make sure the output come well as needed and making sure users can use the system easily and comfortably. Meanwhile, my team Nur Atila Nabila binti Zulkifli take a role as tester and she in control of making sure the projects meets the requirement, identifying possible bugs and weaknesses of the program and solve it, and also confirming the usability of the program. After that, Nur Fardia Shakira binti Muhammad Fazli is in charge in document every interface design, besides make sure the coding follow the class diagram that she's create. Additionally, analyze the functionality the product should have as well as characteristics intended for final users. Lastly, our members Nur Atirah Ayuni binti Rosali is our team lead that liable for making users have a good experience while using the system and prevent plus solve any conflict or issue about this team and project. And that's all for the team member roles and duty.
Let's look at an introduction. First, despite this, we choose to create an online shopping application system which is called Euphoria that allows customers to choose a variety of clothes that consist of three attributes such as customer names, type of clothes, and clothes size. System is built to make it easier for customers to shop for clothes online using an application system that is easy to understand and use other than it can save time and also more convenience. Therefore, user can choose the type of clothes they want, for example size, material and color also right after the user will be able to add the item that they choose into the cart. In summary, we hope that this online shopping application system will provide more benefits to users and it easy to use.
Okay, let's move to objective. We have four objectives, which is first, users will be able to purchase the clothes they want such as t-shirt, pants and hijab. Second, users will be able to reduce the quantity or delete the item. Third, system will be able to calculate the total price users are buying. And lastly, system will be able to show the information detail about the product users buy.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Fadia Shakirah binti Muhammad Fazli and I will take a part to explain about project scope. For the first one, we will go to UML class diagram. In our program, we have three classes, which is class info, payment and product. Class info and product have a has-and relationship known as an aggregation link. This is a part that can be defined as many-to-many between class info and product. Product is the whole and class info is part of the object. With the same product name and quantity can be purchased by many customers, no customers, or one customer only. This implies a relationship in which part of the object, class info, can still exist independently of the whole object product. Besides that, cast info and payment has a one-to-one relationship with the composition link. Payment will not able to make if cast info not existed because they rely on each other. Let's see our UML class diagram. We have three classes. The first one is cast info. In cast info, we have four attributes, which is customer name, customer address, customer phone number, and customer email. In this class, we require the customer to key in their information as register. They need to complete all of this before proceed to the next step. The second class is product. In product, we have three attributes. We have product type, product size, and quantity. In our program, we sell three items, which is clothes, pen, and hijab. All of these items have their own size and colors with different price. Customer also can set up the quantity that they want to buy. The third one is payment. In payment, we have two attributes, which is card type and card number. In this class, customer can choose whatever card type they want to use, which is debit or credit card. They also need to complete card number before make purchases. Payment will not happen if customer doesn't exist because they relate on each other. So, if have customer, so have payment. Next, let's see our project scope use case diagram. In use case diagram, only one actor we have, which is the customer. All customer can do the same process. Here, we will show the process step by step. The first one, customer can browse the sell item. After that, customer can select item that they want to purchase, such as pants, clothes, or hijab. After they make decision what they want to buy, customer can add to their cart the item before proceeding. Customer also need to view an item before proceeding and make authentication. Customer also need to view orders and confirm their purchases. The last one, customer can make payment and choose what card type they want, which is debit or credit. Let me show our product type and price. Here we have three items that we sell, which is clothes, pants, and hijab. All of these items have variety of size and different price. Customer will take a look at the chart before making a purchase. The last one is use case diagram. Here we can see customer will browse the sale item and select item that they want to buy, which is clothes, pants, or hijab, and add to the cart. After that, they need to view item to proceed checkout and view order and confirm. The last one, they need to make payment with debit or credit card.
This project gallery will take you to the class definition for a classes, class application, sample output of the program, and also the conclusion of this project. Hope you enjoy listening to it.
Okay, now I will present about class definition. We have three types of class definition, which is cast info, second payment, and third product. Okay, first cast info. So we declare customer name, customer address, customer phone number, and customer email as string. Also set them as protected. Then we proceed to default constructor. We set everything as null. And for normal constructor, we set customer name as cast name, customer address as cast address, customer phone number as cast phone number, and customer email as customer email. We set them as string. And let's move to the mutator method. We set string cast name, string cast address, string cast phone number, string customer email. And for the SSL method, we set public string get customer name and return customer name, public string get customer address, return customer address, public string get customer phone number, return customer phone number, and lastly public string get customer email, return customer email. And lastly, public string to string, return customer name, customer address, customer phone number, and customer email. Let's move to the payment. Public class payment extend cast info. So we declare card type and card number as string, also set them as private. Then we proceed to default constructor. We set everything as null. And for the normal constructor, we set super, cast name, cast address, cast phone number, customer email. And for card type, SD, and card number as E. And for the setter method, we set data payment, string cast name, string cast address, string cast phone number, string customer email, string D, string E. We set super, set data cast info, cast name, cast address, cast phone number, customer email. And lastly, for the accessor method, public string get card type and return card type. Public string get card number, return card number. And for the lastly, public string to string, return super to string file, card type and card number. That's all.
And now I'm Aisha. We'll take a part to explain and present about the class definition for product class. As you can see, first we declare the product type as integer, product size as string, and quantity as a double. And the modifier that we use is protected because the subclasses of the class can access them even from different package. And as you can see, the below it has a default constructor, which is we set product type as a 0, product size as null, and quantity as a 0.0. Next is a normal constructor. As you know that normal constructor is used to initialize objects. So we initialize the product object as the declaration, and we set product type as an A, product size as B, and quantity as C. Right after that is the mutator method, which is mutator method is a method that is used to update the value of an instance variable. Since this method is designed to update a value, the method header often contains the void, as you can see, keyword, since it doesn't return a value. Mutator methods will set a new value, and as such, they are often referred to as setter methods. As you can see, it's like the what we call it normal constructor, which we set product type as an A, product size as B, and product and quantity as C. Moreover, the assessor method, which is it always be used to get the value of a private field, and it also known as a getter method. As for assessor method, it will return a type that match the type of the variable that they are accessing, such as we can see for the public integer get product type, it will return the product type as we want to access the product type. And same like the others, string get product size, it will return the product size, and double get quantity, and also it will return the same thing that we want to access, which is quantity. So as you can see right now, it is the public double calc total, which this class is to calculate the total amount users have, the item that users have choose and buys, and we set it as double. First, we did like to set the total and price to 0.0, and we choose if else statement for our program. Using this if else statement, it will execute a block of code if a specified condition is true, and if the condition is false, another block of code can be executed. So first, if the users choose the product type, like an example, the users choose the product types closest, the users will type 1, and automatically the system will take the input and comparing it to the block to see which condition is true with the input that the users insert. So if it's true, it will lead the customer to the size that they choose, and we use product size dot equals because we want to compare the two given strings based on the data or content of the string. And if all the content of both of the string are the same, it returns true, and if it's not, it will return false. And right after that, after the system comparing the size that the users have been input, it will show the price of the product, and it will be the same for the product type 2 and also 3. So that's all for the class definition for the product.
Now let's take a look at the main app. First, we write the Java package, that is import Java util, import Java util scanner, import Java IO buffer reader, buffer writer, import Java IO exception, import Java IO printer writer, and import Java IO file writer. Then we proceed with the public class Euphoria main and declare the stuff we will be using in the coding. The program will show the output welcome to Euphoria. After that, we can see there is a while loop. Soon, the program will ask the user if they wish to add more items to their cart. If they insert one, then the program will repeat this section. The program will show the output and ask the user what item that they wish to add to their cart. Then we will go to if statement. If the product that the user chooses is clothes or pants, the program will ask the user the size, the quantity, and also the color. The program will set the data at product set data. Then the program will calculate the total item and ask the user if they want to add more items to their cart. If the user insert one that is yes, the program will show the main menu and the user will have to insert new item of their choice again. Same as if statement before, but the output is slightly different. Then the program will show the user the payment section and the user has to fill in the information. After user fill in the information, the input will be set at payment. This if-else statement is for the receipt. If the product type is 1, the output will be clothes. If 2 will be pants, and if 3 will be hijab. Then we use file IO name customer.txt to collect customer information and order. Lastly, the program will show the last output. If the user having trouble, you can call this number for an assist. And thank you for purchasing Euphoria. Have a nice day. The program will show the output like this, the clothes, the main menu, and then what you like to add into your cart. So I would like to, if I was the customer, I would like to add clothes. Then what size? So I would like to have a XL. Quantity, I would like have 2. Color, white. So the total is 64. Would you like to order more? Yes, I would like to order more. And then it will show my menu again. So I would like to have hijab. I would like size M, S. Quantity, I would like having 2. And black, the color of black. Okay. And would you like to order more? No, I don't want to order more. So you have to fill up this information. So my name, Nur Aufa. Address, I'm at UIT Machang right now. Machang. Phone number, uh, just insert your phone number, your real phone number. Email, my email is, okay. Please insert your card number. So insert your card number. And the type of card that I'm using will be a debit card. So the receipt will show my name, all the information, the type of product, and also the total. And if you have any problem with the system, you can call for an assist. Thank you for purchasing Euphoria and have a nice day. So this is the inside of customer TXT. There will be name. This is the information that we put earlier. Customer name, customer address, customer phone number, email, uh, card type, the card number, product type, and also product size and the quantity.
Lastly, for the conclusion, in summary, we make this system easier for anyone that would like to shop in clothes. They need to install an application first before using this system. After that, users can buy a product they want by choosing the product type they like. After finish choosing and buying, system will request customer to fill up the information and then it will be displayed the receipt for customers. Lastly, it is better to shop online because it can save our time and effort more because everything is just at your fingertips. People also can make a good purchase online because it is more cheaper than buying at the market. So, it is better to be a wise customer by using online shopping. Thank you.